Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Okay. I wish we should have done the left turn. Hey, Walmart. We're hiring drivers. Oh, what was that?
Oh, he's supposed to make a right turn. He can't go at the left.
Well, you gotta make that turn. Two-wheeler. If you made that turn he was trying to do, he would have out the light.
I got you on Dashcam. This is my first time actually seeing something that actually looked perfect on the Dashcam.
You know why? Because you can't be down the street.
That's true. That could be the reason why too. This street could not maybe not allow it.
Additionally, the supervised connection made it possible for Russian forces to control Finally, they had a lot of raids. Sergei Bastrasnov, military technology expert and advisor to Ukraine's defense ministry, said that a drone equipped with Starlink had a range of up to
I told him, I'm very much over it. I don't want to do it anymore. Where are you turning? I know. It's a green light! It's a f***ing green light, dude! What the f*** are you doing? You're gonna have to go around now, yeah. You f***ing idiot. Oh my god! Stop it. What the hell is what are you doing? That was in the school?
Interesting. Really.
My gosh.
Okay.
Oh, are you okay? Oh my god! Are you okay? Oh my god! Oh my god!
True. And look, already one of your dreams is gonna come true. Because senior producer Rose Revel's in the room!
Sounds like you manifested some coffee.
Hi. Hello.
Hi, Wendy. So,
Oh shit!
It's okay, baby.
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Check later.
You're on camera.
Hurry up, Amazon. Where's the Amazon flat?
Oh,
Yeah, stupid cheap.
I hope my Dashcam caught that.
In 1 mile, take a slight left turn to
FX is the beauty. Imagine the hottest new super village.
use the left lane to keep left. Merge on I-10 East.
Go, dipshit. Are you kidding me? What a asshole.
Gone longer than I have to.
Oh, are you
Wow. See, douchebag, if you would have kept up with the traffic.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.